reading and writing a file to and from a string. This article introduces two handy functions for reading the contents of a file in a string and writing a string to a file. Reading a file into a string. Perhaps the easiest way to read a file into a string is using the LoadFromFile method of a TStringList object and then accessing its text property. Uses SysUtils, classes, function LoadFile, const FileName, TFileName string. Begin with TStringList.Create. Do try LoadFromFile, FileName, result equals text, finally free, and. However, this way of doing things is inefficient, since LoadFromFile loads the file and parses it to separate the lines, and then when we use the text property, an internal method is called to produce a string joining the lines, so this double job is done for nothing, plus we end up using more than the double of the memory storage we actually need, until we free the TStringList object. A better approach could be using a TFileStream object, or the old assign, reset, read and close procedures, to directly read the contents of a file into a string. Here is the same function using TFileStream that returns the content of the file whose name is passed as parameter, uses SysUtils, classes, function LoadFile, const FileName, TFileName string. Begin with TFileStream.Create, FileName, FM open read, or FM share deny write. Do begin try set length, result, size, red, pointer, result, caret, stream.size, except result equals, / deallocates memory free, raise, and, free, and, writing a file from a string if we needed to save the contents of string back to disk. We can use the following procedure, uses SysUtils, classes, procedure save file, const FileName, TFileName, const content, string. Begin with TFileStream.Create, FileName, FM create. Do try write, pointer, content, caret, length, content, finally free, and.